In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add icon in HTML. For it, first of all, what you need to do is that just go to your browser, then search for font awesome CDN link, then press enter. Then go to this link cdnjs.com. Just click here and it will take you to this page. And here you need to copy the first link from here. So in order to copy it, here you can see we have an option here in the middle. Just click on it and there you can see it got copied. After copying this, just go back to your code and here you need to paste it inside the head section. Then what you need to do is that you need to go back to the browser again, and this time just search for font awesome, then press enter, and there you can see fontawesome.com. Just click here and it will take you to this page, and here you can see icons option here. Just click on icons and here you will see a search option. So over here you can search any kind of icon. For example, if we just search for YouTube and then press enter, it will show you some icon for YouTube. Here you can see if you are seeing Pro over here, it means those are paid, but these are free, so you can use this for free. So right now let me say I want to copy this on, so I'll just click on it and then it will show you something like this. So you just need to copy this iClass Fairbanks Fastcore YouTube. If you just click on it, it will be get copied. After that, just go back to your HTML and inside the body, if you just paste it, then save it, then refresh here, there you can see you are able to see the icon. Now let's say you want to make this icon bigger. For it, what you can do is here you can see we have a class called Fastcore YouTube, right? So what we are going to do is that let me just copy this, and after that we'll go inside the head section. Here we'll say style, and in the style we're going to write some CSS for this. So we'll give a dot, then mention this class name, then 2 second brackets. So let's say here font size, it will be 30 pixel. If we now save this, then refresh here, there you can see it got bigger. Let's say here font size will be 130 and the color, it will be red. Save it, then refresh, there you can see it is now red color. So if you want, you can take different icon from here. For example, if you just keep it empty and press enter, it will show you some more icon here. Let's say we want to get the Facebook icon. Just click on it, then copy this, just click on it, it will be get copied, then just paste it here. There you can see. So we can write some CSS for this Facebook. So again we'll go inside the style, then we'll say here Facebook, then 2 second bracket, and this time I'll just copy this and paste it here, and the color for the Facebook will be, let's say, blue. Save, then refresh, and there you can see. So this is how you can add font awesome icon in HTML. I hope this was easy for you. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.